nag-improve ka nung first quarter, you made some improvements, medyo nag-dip nung second quarter. Nag-usap tayo ng masinsinan, nag-improve ka nung third quarter, no? Monthly nag-usap tayo, I see your improvement, consistent yung performance mo for the third quarter. And then on the fourth quarter, you did really well, no? You did really well. Meron ka lang isang quarter na medyo nag-dip yung performance mo. Should I evaluate you for the rest of the year? Or should I evaluate you for what you did, what you have accomplished because of the partnership that we've had, no? Mula dun sa simula ng taon hanggang sa dulo ng taon. Kung ako ang tatanungin, ang magiging rating mo, Ali, is kung paano ka nag-progress from weakness to strength, yung interpersonal communication or interpersonal relationship management. Because pinagtrabahuhan natin pareho yun eh. Kaya importante yung conversation na yun eh. Diba? So I'm not gonna penalize you anymore for your past failures kung nakita ko na nag-i-improve yung performance mo. Diba?